Okay, so I am going to finish off the things I missed from lecture today. So I have a few problems I want to do. The first one is this one right here, sine 285 times sine 75. Okay, so we want to, I guess what we have here is a product, sine times sine. So if I look at my identity sheet, sine times sine gives me this one. So I'll just go ahead and put all that in. So I've got 1/2 times cosine 285 minus 75 minus cosine 285 plus 75. So 285 minus 75 is going to be 210. And 285 plus 75 is 360. Cosine 210 is over here, with this guy being a 30-degree angle. So the cosine is going to be -√3 over 2. And the cosine of 360 sticks me back here. So that's 1, 0, and my cosine is just 1. So that's 1/2 times minus √3 over 2 minus 2 over 2. So 1/2 times -√3 minus 2 over 2 are -√3 minus 2 all over 4. Okay, just straight applying my identity. The next one I got here is, it says write as a sum. Here, I'll express the product as a sum. So here I have a product. Sine 3x over 2 cosine x over 2. And then I guess notice here we're not getting, we don't have actual numbers in here. So there's going to be x's in a final answer. But I'm looking for one that says sine times cosine. I guess I'm looking at this one right here. So I've got 1/2 times sine a plus b, which is 3x over 2 plus x over 2, plus sine a minus b. So that's going to be sine 4x over 2 plus sine 2x over 2 are 1/2 times sine 2x plus sine x. There you go. All right, express the product as a sum. Just plugging in my identities. All right, the next one. So these are pretty nice. They're pretty straightforward. They're really just looking at that identity right here. Sine, so now it says express the summal difference as a product, right? So I did this one where I had a sum, I put it as a product. Now I have this one that I want to put in as a product. All right, so cool. Just grabbing stuff. See, last week, kids were on spring break. Now kids are back in school. So school's happening too. And my wife is working. Everybody's working here. It's so much fun. Don't feel bad for me. Everything's awesome here. All right. So now I have a difference of signs. So I'm looking at sine A minus sine B. That's this guy right here. So I'm just going to plug it right in. I have 2 sine 4x minus 2x over 2 cosine 4x plus 2x over 2 are 2 sine x cos 3x, and we are done. All right. Yes, you have these identities, we just plug them in. All right. The very last one I had was an establish the identity. Let's see what it looks like here. Okay, cool. Sine A plus sine B, cosine A plus cosine B equals this. So I am going to start on this left-hand side, and because I have sine A plus sine B, I'm just going to be able to write in these identities and then see what we end up getting. So here, let's separate myself off a little bit. So I've got sine A plus sine B over cos A plus cos B, and I'm trying to get tangent A plus B over 2. All right, so if I apply my sine A plus sine B identity, I am going to get 2 sine A plus B over 2 cosine A minus B over 2. Remember, this tangent is sine over cosine. So what I should end up getting is sine A plus B over 2 divided by cosine A plus B over 2. So I can see that happening right here. We're hoping this and that 2 are going to cancel once I look up my cosine identity. In fact, if they don't, that should lead me to believe that maybe I have looked at the wrong identity or written it down wrong. But cosine A plus B, again, I'm looking at this identity sheet. And great news, look what happens. 2's cancel, cosines cancel. I'm left with just sine A plus B over 2 over cosine A plus B over 2, which of course is tangent, which is the thing I wanted. Establish your identities. You look for your formulas. I mean, again, memorize might not be the right word, but I know sine A plus sine B is something. I look it up and I write it down. Then I just do my algebra. Okay, so I will go ahead and stop recording. I'll upload this all, and I will see y'all soon. Let's just do this.